Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
See, we have already notified the fishing ban from 15th of this month to up to 31st July. And this is nothing new to the fishing community. This is every year we adopt this uniform ban according to the central government directives. So I wish and I hope that the fishing community, including the traditional recognized, will implement or will obey the directives given by the government. Although it is relaxed, but due to the bad weather, storms, the fishermen could not venture into the sea. They have almost lost this relaxation period.
You all always have a problem sometimes with this borders as far as fishing and all. मध्ये fishing ban असतात म्हणजे about fishing that. So coastal police are त्यांना information.
Department will monitor with our own system and mechanism. There should not be any violation during the ban period. And sometimes fishermen venture at their own risk, so they have to be told and informed that they can't take a risk of venturing into that. And Coast Guard also coastal police also manning the coastal area.